Hello mga sismores! Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. And for today's video and content, full review naman tayo sa previously na nating vlog or sa in-unbox natin previously na Android phone. And that is Tecno Go Spark 1S. So, if-fully review natin kung ano ba yung kanyang specification, yung display, especially kung ano pa ba yung features na meron siya. So, tara mga sismores, check natin. Let me go ahead and share you guys the quick specification of this Android phone. So, that is your quick specification dito sa ating Android phone, which is yung Go 1S or Tecno Spark Go 1S. Again, mabibili nito mga sismars sa Shopee. Check the description box. Andyan lang po yung Shopee link natin. When it comes sa price mga sismars, nabili namin to na 3,200 of course sa Shopee Mall. Sa original price niya na nakita ko sa website sa Philippines, this is 4,500. That is the price na nakalagay sa website. So let's proceed na explore this Android phone, kung ano ba yung mga features niya. So ito na yung ating Tecno Spark Go 1S. As you can see, kinabit ko na yung silicone cases niya. So, check muna natin, of course, yung display. Let's remove first this jelly case. So, as you can see, ayan, ang cute ng camera module niya. It's look like iPhone 13. So, we have flash in here. I'm not sure, maybe this one is a sensor eh. Kasi based sa nabasa ko or na-check ko yung specification niya, we only have one camera or 13 megapixel yung main camera niya. So, I'm not sure if this one is just a sensor. So, ito yung ating color. Ayan, Tecno Spark. Meron tayong logo here. This is a plastic, of course. Ayan. But, medyo curious ako sa color niya. Kasi ang sinabi sa website, ang color nito is glittery white. But, sa box, ang nakalagay is titing yung gold. So, medyo, alam mo na, I'm not sure. Basta yun ang nakalagay sa ano. Kaya, kaya nga diba nung unboxing ko, sinabi ko sa inyo na hindi siya gold. Para siyang silver or white. So, para siyang titanium natural or natural titanium sa mga iPhone. So, yan ang ating back details or display. Let's see the side. Here, we have SIM tray, of course. Sa bottom part, we have here the earphone jack, the mouthpiece or the microphone, the Type-C charging port, the speaker grills. We also have here the power button, the volume button up and down, and then sa upper part, dito ang kanyang speaker grills also. So we have two dual speaker as they mentioned, of course, sa box. So let's open. Before that, so we have here the notch display camera sa front facing, sa front details. And again, meron na tayong nakalagay na screen protector. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, so 90 Hz yung refresh rate niya. Okay, so let's see the settings. Alright, hold on. Let's just, ayan, so settings muna tayo. So, ayan, ang ating settings. Of course, this one is hindi pa naka-set up. So, let's check first the storage of this phone system update. As you can see, 14, Android 14 pa siya, pero pwede mo siyang i-update. Ayan. So, yeah, just ko yung brightness niya saglit kasi ayoko naka-adaptive brightness. And meron pala siyang dark theme in here if you want a dark theme phone. Ayan, dark theme na lang natin para makita nyo. And then, of course, personalization. If ba yan siya, you want to change wallpaper. Ayan, pwede ka mag-DIY. Okay. So, ito ang ating, ito. Alright, cut mo yun. So, ito yung ating specification. So, we have here Android 14, CPU is Helio G50, front-facing camera is 8 megapixel, main camera is 13 megapixel, We also have 64 gig of ROM, ayan, 6 plus 6, ayan, expandable. So, 3 gig lang talaga yung RAM niya. So, meron siyang additional or additional na 3 gig of RAM. So, that is a total of 6 gig of RAM. 5,000 mAh battery capacity. As you can see, ayan. So, let's explore of course, yung kanyang security feature. Ayan, may fingerprint tayo dito. So, let's see the fingerprint. Let's start with pattern. Hold on. Okay, pinakamadaling pattern sa lahat. Alright. So, add fingerprint tayo. So, let's register first our fingerprint in here. Tignan natin kung gaano kabilis yung fingerprint sensor. Or if by any chance may delay. Let's check that here. Okay. So, finish. And then, let's lock the phone. And then, oh. Okay. One more. Alright. One more. Oh, mabilis siya. Let's see nga. Kasi yung ibang, oh, wait lang. May check lang ako. So, yung fingerprint natin, naka-enroll na siya. So, unlock. Skin application. Okay. Unlock. Okay. So, to unlock, guys, meron kayong option if by any chance you just want to touch the fingerprint sensor or you want to press the power button. So, let's try this one. Yung press the power button. Kasi, ayan, di ba, hindi siya nag-unlock. Kanina later, tinatouch lang natin yung fingerprint sensor and then nag-open siya. Tanggal natin siya dyan. Oh, one more. So, pe-press natin siya. Okay. Another. Okay. So, one more. Ayan, nakalock siya, ha. Ayan, nakalock yan. So, press natin. Alright. Okay. So, again, may option kayo for fingerprint sensor if by any chance na gusto nyo ng tinatouch lang ba or ito, yung press the power button. Kasi ako, if by any chance, of course, mas prefer ko yung touch side sensor. Pero minsan kasi, di ba, aksidente mo nabubuksan yung fingerprint mo o yung phone mo, sorry. So, yung iba, mas okay yung power button. So, that is the fingerprint sensor. So, let's see naman, of course, yung ating, kukonek ko lang siya sa Wi-Fi. And then, let's see yung kanyang display. Ayan. So, nakakonect na tayo sa Wi-Fi natin. So, here's the Chrome. Try natin manood ng something sa YouTube. Tingnan natin yung display ng uso speaker nito. If gano'n nga ba kalakas. Of course, we're not allowed to play ibang, alam nyo na, video. So, para hindi tayo makopyright, let's try to play our YouTube, of course. So, stories. So, ito, yung ating channel. Let's try to, of course, try natin panoodin yung ating full review dito sa ating. So, ayan siya. Ilaki ko na yung ating screen. Wait lang. Hi all! Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So, for today's video of content, this is another part ng ating Android phone na ni-review previously, which is ang Nubia Neo 3. This time, check naman natin yung camera ng Android phone na to and let's see kung gaano nga ba kaganda at mare-recommend ko ba siya sa inyo when it comes to camera. So, let's go mga sa smart switch. So, we have here the camera. Sa AI camera, you have an option to zoom in the pictures or the photo
Okay.
up until
So, yun yung ating video. So, let's explore naman yung camera feature ng ating Go 1S. So, ito yung ating camera. As you can see, main camera natin, again, this is 13 megapixel, okay? So, ayan. So, 1 time zoom in, 2 times zoom in, and then you can zoom in the photo up until 4. We also have video recording here also. Ayan. 1080p na merong 30 FPS. Ayan. So, pero ka ding option to zoom in the video to 4. And then, the good thing is meron silang option dito pala to, ayan, to smoothen your skin. Ayan, oh. May option sila. Meron ding option, para hinaan tsaka sobrang lakasan. Oh, ang galing! Pwede mo siyang sobrang lakasan. Okay. So, sa settings naman, as kasi meron tayong option dito sa to mute the shutter sound, read location, ayan, set volume button as shutter ba if you by any chance, or zoom. So, may watermark din dito. Ayan, you can set date or time, location. So far, yan lang yung ating camera feature. Sa feature pala sa camera, we also have a wide selfie in here, oh. Okay, may wide selfie.
So, yun yung ating pag-explore sa ating Tecno Spark Go 1S. So, let's proceed na sharing you guys my own thoughts and also impression with this Android phone. So, let's go first with the display. Sa display niya, mga sis Mars, actually this is 10 out of 10. As you can see right here, it's very aesthetic and para talaga siyang iPhone 13. Yung camera module niya is parang iPhone 13, as you can see. I'm not sure pa if Bionishan's, I think this one is just a design or a sensor. I'm not sure because this one is flash eh. So this one, kasi tinry ko siya sa camera, wala naman siyang, hindi naman siya, hindi naman siya natatakpan. Maybe that is just a design kasi nga sa main camera na nakita ko sa website, this is 13 megapixel main camera. Wala namang sinabi doon na may telephoto siya or something. So maybe this is just one design. So, next thing, of course, sa kanyang fingerprint sensor, nakaka-adapt naman na mabilis. There was no problem at all. Sa volume, dual speaker is actually great. Hindi siya basag. At maganda yung tunog niya, ha. Pagdating sa display, same lang din. Maganda yung display niya. Pagdating naman sa kanyang camera, medyo hindi pa ako makakapagbigay ng conclusion ko dyan sa camera since we just checked the feature. Stay tuned mga sis Mars kasi may separate video tayo sa camera review. So vlog test and then game test na din if by any chance. Sa storage niya mga sis Mars, sa 6GB of RAM with 64GB of RAM, medyo doon ako nagda-doubt if by any chance kanya bang ng gaming. Kasi feel ko this phone, again, kasi feel ko this Android phone is for social media na lang siya eh. Kasi 6GB of RAM actually, plus 64GB of ROM actually. Though meron ka namang way to expand yung storage mo using the micro SD. Pero sa panahon kasi ngayon, wala na masyadong gumagamit ng micro SD card eh. 'Di ba? So, for me, sa presyo niya, okay naman, 3,200 or 3,700. Swak naman yun sa budget. But, again, kung tatanungin nyo ako, mga sis Mars, the quality or the design of this Tecno Spark Go 1S is actually good. Wala namang sobrang aesthetic niyang tignan, as you can see, oh. Tsaka pag tinilt nyo siya, meron siyang something na effect. Ayan. So again, sa camera, stay tuned kasi ka-camera review natin to. Same with the game test. Hindi pa ako makakapagbigay ng feedback ko when it comes sa ating chipset. But, again, kung chipset na G50, I'm not sure pa kasi feel ko kasi ML and also COD, siguro kaya niya. Your normal na resolution. Pero yung high frame resolution, I'm not sure. Lalo na yung Genshin siguro kasi medyo mabigat na yung Genshin, especially yung ating cash on delivery, COD. So, stay tuned lang doon mga sis Mars, game test and also ating camera test. So far, maganda naman yung design ng ating Tecno Go Spark 1S and also chinek ko naman yung camera feature niya. May mga nakita naman ako magagandang quality. So, stay tuned lang. Again, isi-share ko na lang yan sa ating next na video, okay? So that is just my quick full review with this Android phone. Once again, my name is Maring Anna. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, a.stories, and also mga sis Mars. Again, just ko lang po sabihin sa inyo na I'm not a pro when it comes sa reviewing ng mga tech. I'm just sharing you guys my own experience and impression with this Android phone. So, that is just my full review and impression pagdating dito sa Tecno Spark Go 1S. See you ulit sa ating next na camera review. Buyers.